Welcome back to the GB How To channel. In this video, I will show you how to disable notifications for any app on your Android phone. Don't skip the video so you don't miss any important steps. First, find the app you want to disable notifications for. Then, long press the app icon for a moment. Tap on the eye icon, App Info. Select Notifications. Here, you have several options for different types of notifications. If you want to turn off all notifications, simply toggle off Allow Notifications. They will no longer appear until you turn it back on. When you toggle Allow Notifications back on, the app's notifications will return to normal. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.